what I got here is a training wheel set for a Yamaha PW50. This will also fit a Honda XR50, but just want to kind of give you a high level of kind of what it comes with. These are the wheels, and to attach the wheel to this bracket was very simple. There is all you got to do. I already put the cotter pin in, but you just place this screw on, or I could remove that screw, and then the whole wheel just pulls right off. Now, it also comes with two different size bars, and this is going to attach, and I'll show you later, on the underside of the mini bike. And these two brackets are going to attach to the foot pegs. So I'm going to just put these bolts here. I believe I'll have to see once I get to that point. But these will attach to the underside of the mini bike. And then the wheels will be, these go as such. That here. So really kind of depending, you could use a shorter rod or a wider rod, kind of depending upon how wide of a base you want these wheels to be. And then again, once I'll show you later, but this and this will attach to the foot pegs. And actually, I think this long bolt is going to go into here, and that's going to ensure that this part and the wheel are together. That will go as such. There's a washer as well, so we'll do a washer in that bolt. So just wanted to kind of show you what it looks like before I install it on the mini bike itself. Well, I got the training wheels on, and we're ready for the racetrack. Look at that. Doesn't that look sharp? Very easy to install. But I want to give a tip here. So earlier in the video, I showed the two different rods. If you're installing on a PW50, you definitely want to use the smaller rod, because I used the smaller rod and I had to screw them in almost completely. So these bikes are fairly small, but I want to also mention that these wheels, the way I have them, as you could see, I have the wheels so they are like on the ground for a true beginner rider. So, it's almost like you got four wheels. However, as the rider gets better, you can loosen. I'm just going to kind of show you an example here. I don't have this one tightened down because I want to show you. You could take the wheel off and, put it more so it's, let me show you here, kind of up in the air almost. So what will happen, the child will be driving mainly on two wheels, but if they were to ever kind of go, to the left or right, these are here just to catch them. So I like that it has that feature. It just kind of lets the child ride safer and really builds the confidence. And all I did is you just on the foot peg there, you'll see like in the back, that long bolt that I had, there was two long bolts and two short. The long bolt is what goes through the foot peg and tightens down. The short little bolt, that is what goes down here with the washer to tighten the wheel onto it. But I'm very happy with the way it looks, and my granddaughter's gonna love it.